Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I think you are all well by the grace of Allah Almighty. I am also well by the grace of Allah Almighty. My dear student, today I discuss another class. Before that, I want to introduce myself. I am Nurul Alam, a teacher, Milestone College, English Medium Senior Section. Today, I am to discuss such a class. Before introduce my topics, I want to recite a ayat from the Holy Quran. My dear student, listen the ayat clearly and try to find out the today's topics. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وَرَتِّلِ الْقُرْآنَ تَرْتِيلًا. Allah Almighty said in the Holy Quran, you must recite the Holy Quran with slowly and distinctly. My dear viewers, if you want to recite the Holy Quran slowly and distinctly, that means with correct pronunciation, we have to learn some important thing. Can you guess what type of thing we have to learn? Yes, my dear viewers, we have to learn Tajweed. Tajweed, such topics. If anyone want to learn the Holy Quran clearly and nicely with correct pronunciation, we have to learn Tajweed properly. In the topics of Tajweed, our today's topics, chapter 3, lesson 4, topics name, description of Mim Sakin. I think you have understood description of Mim Sakin, our today's lesson. My dear viewers, let's go. We want to first learn about Mim Sakin. Before learning Mim Sakin, after the lesson we have to able to learn few important object of the lesson. What is Mim Sakin? Number 1, what is Mim Sakin? Number 2, reading system of Mim Sakin, 3 rules of Mim Sakin, and importance of Mim Sakin. My dear viewers, let's go. We want to learn first what is Mim Sakin. You see, first I want to tell in the Arabic letters. There are 29 Arabic letters. You see, there are how many? 29 Arabic letters. Out of these letters, Mim one of the letters. Okay? You see, I have written in Mim here and Sakin. I have also written here symbol you see, follow here, Sakin. It is called Sakin or Zazam. We may write this symbol two way. My dear viewers, first we got meme, then we got sakin or jajam. If we get this symbol on the letter meme, you see here two example on the letter meme. At that time this meme is called meme sakin. Let's go. We want to show it in our textbook. If there is a jajam or sakin over the letter meme, this meme with jajam is called meme sakin. Again I am telling, my dear viewers, if there is a jajam, I have already shown you jajam. Follow. If there is a jajam over the letter meme, see, over the letter meme, at that time the meme with jajam is called meme sakin. We follow. Here two example I have written. We will get more example. I have here two example. See, I have written here lam, kaf, mim. On lam, here you get it. It is called jabor. On kaf, it is called pesh. And last letter mim, over the mim, we got it here jazm or sakin. That's why the example, it is example of mim sakin. See, lakum, how you will read lakum, lam jabor la, kaf mim pesh kum, lakum. See another example. Here I have written first the letter alif, then mim, then lam, again mim. Here two meme in this word. First alif, here jabor, alif jabor a, over meme here sakin or jajam. Alif meme jabor am. It is also meme sakin. Another one say lakum. Here we got, then we got then here we got lam meme jabor lam. In this way we read meme sakin. My dear viewers, we learn here what is meme sakin and example of meme sakin. Let's go the rules for reading of meme sakin. See, first I am telling there are 3 rules for reading meme sakin. How many rules? 3 rules for reading meme sakin. My dear student, I am telling and try to follow. Beside of the word here Arabic and English, 2 languages here used. First one, see, is her. I have written here is her also, both English and Arabic. 2 number or B number, see, idgham. Here also idgham, both Arabic and also English. See another one, ikfa. Here also ikfa, both Arabic and also English. 2 languages used here. For that reason we got here 3 rules for reading meme sakin. Now we want to know what is her, idgham and ikfa. See, my dear viewers, first we want to know what is her. Is her means to read distinctly or clearly. After meme sakin, if any letter over if any letter other than ba. Here we will introduce another letter of Arabic ba. You see here another letter ba. Okay, and mim comes the clear pronunciation of that mim sakin from its own makhraj without gunna is called izhar. My dear viewers, for your better understanding, I am telling again the definition of izhar. See again, izhar means to read distinctly or clearly. After mim sakin, if any letter other than ba, and mim comes, the clear pronunciation of that mim sakin from its own makhraj without gunna is called izhar. I think it is clear. Let's see few example. Okay, mim sakin. See first izhar. I told you mim and ba. You see here example lakum dinukum. You see the example lakum dinukum. My dear viewers, here huge of example we get it. As example we can tell amlam tunziruhum. In this way we have to practice more about izhar. Let's go, my dear viewers. Idgham, another part of reading mim sakin. Idgham. Idgham means to read jointly or combinedly. See, after mim sakin, if the letter mim with harkat comes the mim sakin along with mim with harkat has to be read with gunna equal to on alif. This is called idgham. In this case, tashdid is attested to the second mim. My dear student, for your better understanding, I am telling again the definition of idgham. See again, idgham means to read jointly or combinedly. Idgham means to read jointly, combinedly. After mim sakin, if the letter mim with harkat. My dear viewers, first we want to know harkat. Harkat, it means on jabor, on jer, on pesh is called harkat. On jabor, on jer, on pesh is called harkat. You see here I have written on jabor, on jer, on pesh is called harkat. Here is another new word, makhraj. I already told makhraj means the place for pronunciation, in which place the Arabic letter will pronounce. This is called makhraj. And another new word, tashdid. My dear viewers, see tashdid. Here symbol. It is one of the Arabic symbol. If we get these types of symbol on any letter of Arabic, at that time the letter will pronounce twice. That means double. Okay, now go. Again I am coming. Idgham. Idgham means to read jointly after mim sakin. After mim sakin, if the letter mim with harkat comes, this mim sakin along with the mim with harkat has to be read with gunna equal to on alif. This is called idgham. In this case, tashdid is attested to the second mim. Now see example. I have written here examples follow. My dear student, here follow. Fi kulubihim maradun. Fi kulubihim maradun. Here see meme. Here also tashdid. The meme will pronounce double. Before that here meme sakin. In this way we read clearly or here also distinctly, that means jointly we will recite here. Again I am recite fi kulubihim maradun jointly. The meme and another meme will read jointly. I think it is clear to you. My dear viewers and dear student, let's go Ikhfa. First, we want to learn what is Ikhfa. Here I'll see Ikhfa means to read in heart in secret. To read in heart in secret. If the letter Ba, see, if the letter Ba is present after Mim Sakin, that Mim Sakin has to be read with Gunna of on alif time. This is called the Ikhfa of Mim Sakin. My dear viewers, for your better understanding, I am telling again. Ikhfa means to read in heart in secret. If the Ba, you see Ba, the letter Ba is present after Mim Sakin. That Mim Sakin has to be read with Gunna of on alif. This is called the Ikhfa of Mim Sakin. For your better understanding, I want to show you the example. My dear viewers and students, follow. Here, alaikum bil mu'minin. Alaikum. Here see first. Here mim. On mim here also sakin or jazm. After that you see the next letter ba. In this way we read a secret, that means we hide the letter. Alaikum bil mu'minin. Alaikum bil mu'minin. Not only that, we will get lots of example. Another example, amahum bi mu'minin. In this way we have to practice more. My dear viewers and dear student, after learning this lesson, we come to the point what we have learned. First, for our better understanding, I am to say again the gist of the lesson. What is Mim Sakin? Reading system of Mim Sakin, rules of Mim Sakin, and importance of Mim Sakin. If anyone want to recite the Holy Quran correctly and nice pronunciation, there will be no alternative to learn Tajweed. One of the part of the Tajweed is description of Mim Sakin. It is very important to learn the Holy Quran clearly and nicely, because if anyone recite the Holy Quran clearly and nicely, Allah Almighty give him or her for every letter 10 sawab or 10 reward. But on the other hand, if anyone recite the Holy Quran with wrong pronunciation, instead of getting sawab, he will get sin or punishment. My dear viewers, I want to tell you again, you must learn the topics clearly. Hello my dear viewers, I think you have understood my lesson, and again after learning the point, this lesson we will learn few points. First, what is Mim Sakin? I already told the definition. Second one, Izhar, Ikhfa and Idgham. Meanings of Izhar, Idgham and Ikhfa. no more today. My dear viewers, keep safe and sound, stay at home, and best luck for you. See you again. Allah Hafiz.